What if I told you that among us, beneath the ocean's surface, an alien creature dwells known as the sea cucumber? Yes, you heard that right, the humble sea cucumber, a creature so common in our oceans yet so enigmatic and peculiar in its nature. The sea cucumber, a marine creature belonging to the class Holothuriidea, might not be your typical idea of an alien, but consider this. It has some of the most unusual, peculiar, and downright bizarre characteristics that make it seem more at home in the far reaches of space than the depths of our own oceans. For instance, take its ability to self-eviscerate. Now that's a fancy term for a rather gruesome process. When a sea cucumber feels threatened, it can literally expel its internal organs out of its body. It's a shocking defense mechanism and quite frankly not something you'd expect from an earth-dwelling creature. But that's not all. The sea cucumber can regenerate these organs in a matter of weeks. Talk about resilience. Then there's its unique respiratory system. Unlike most marine creatures, the sea cucumber breathes through its anus. Yes, you heard that right. They take in water through their rear end and oxygen is absorbed into their bloodstream. It's a far cry from the way we or most other animals on Earth breathe. And these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the sea cucumber's alien-like qualities. Their unusual locomotion, their ability to change their body's hardness, their unique feeding habits, each characteristic seems to make them more and more alien. So, could these underwater beings truly be extraterrestrial? Let's delve deeper. The mystery of the sea cucumber is vast and intriguing. As we move forward, we'll explore more about their anatomy, their unearthly abilities, and the theories that surround them. Are they truly aliens living among us? Or are they just another example of nature's incredible diversity? Stay tuned as we unravel the enigma that is the sea cucumber. The sea cucumber, a creature of the deep, possesses an anatomy that is nothing short of otherworldly. Squishy, flexible, and fascinating, sea cucumbers are truly remarkable, and their anatomy is a testament to this. Their bodies are elongated, cylindrical, and soft, often compared to a large, lumpy sausage. This flexible body allows them to squeeze into tight crevices and hide from predators. It's a body structure that is rarely seen in the animal kingdom, making it a standout feature of this marine creature. The most striking feature of the sea cucumber, however, is its mouth. It's surrounded by a ring of tentacle-like appendages that it uses to feed. This intricate mouth structure is unlike anything we see in other marine animals. It's as if you've taken a trip to an alien planet and you're looking at an extraterrestrial creature. But the alien-like traits don't stop there. Sea cucumbers possess an incredible ability that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. They can regenerate lost body parts. If they lose an arm, they can grow it back. If they're injured, they can heal themselves. It's an astounding feature that is not common in the animal kingdom, and it adds to the mystery and intrigue of the sea cucumber. Scientific studies have shown that sea cucumbers have a special type of cell called a totipotent cell. These cells have the ability to divide and differentiate into any type of cell, whether it's skin, muscle, or even nerve cells. It's these totipotent cells that allow sea cucumbers to regenerate their lost body parts. The sea cucumber is a creature that truly challenges our understanding of biology. Its flexible body, tentacle-like mouthparts, and regenerative abilities are features that seem more at home in a science fiction movie than in our oceans. And yet, they exist, living quietly in the depths of our seas. With such alien-like features, one can't help but wonder if these creatures are truly of this world. The sea cucumber's abilities go beyond the realms of earthly creatures, hinting at a possible extraterrestrial origin. Diving straight into the deep end, the sea cucumber possesses an extraordinary ability to alter the hardness of its body. This is no mere party trick. When threatened, this soft-bodied creature can tighten the connective tissue that runs through its body, instantly becoming as tough as a rock. Conversely, it can loosen the same tissue, allowing itself to liquefy and slip through the tiniest of cracks. This is an ability known as mutable collagenous tissue, and it's a phenomenon that leaves scientists scratching their heads. How does a creature with such a simple nervous system exhibit such complex control over its body's physical state? But the sea cucumber doesn't stop at being an underwater Houdini. It has another trick up its sleeve, or rather, within its gut. In the face of danger, some species can expel their internal organs through their anus and quite literally scare predators away with their innards. This act of self-evisceration might seem drastic, but fear not, because the sea cucumber can regenerate these organs within a few weeks. This ability to regenerate is not common in the animal kingdom, and it certainly adds to the mystery surrounding this enigmatic creature. Lastly, let's not forget the sea cucumber's unusual method of feeding. Unlike typical sea creatures, sea cucumbers are filter feeders. They use their tentacle-like tube feet to sift through sediment on the ocean floor, extracting nutrients from detritus and microscopic organisms. This is a far cry from the predatory behavior seen in many marine species. It's a peaceful, sustainable way of life that seems almost utopian or perhaps alien. These unearthly abilities certainly make the sea cucumber stand out as a possible alien amongst us. They are creatures that challenge our understanding of biology and behavior, and in doing so, they force us to question the boundaries of what is terrestrial and what is extraterrestrial. Could the sea cucumber be an alien hiding in plain sight? As we delve deeper into the alien theory, remember that the truth is often stranger than fiction. Given its bizarre anatomy and abilities, the theory of sea cucumbers being aliens doesn't seem too far-fetched. Indeed, the characteristics of these unique marine creatures have led some scientists and researchers to hypothesize that they could be extraterrestrial life forms. The alien theory revolves around the idea that sea cucumbers, with their puzzling physical features and extraordinary capabilities, are not of earthly origin. Their ability to change the rigidity of their body at will, their radial symmetry and their regenerative powers are just a few traits that seem to belong more to a science fiction movie than to a creature of our planet. Scientists who support this theory argue that these traits, combined with the fact that sea cucumbers are found in the deep sea, a place as unknown and mysterious to us as outer space, make the idea of them being aliens plausible. They suggest that sea cucumbers could have originated from a water-based planet similar to our own, hitching a ride on comets or other celestial bodies to eventually land in our oceans. Of course, there are counter-arguments to this theory. Skeptics point out that all life on Earth shares common biological characteristics, including DNA structure, which suggests a common origin. They argue that the unique traits of sea cucumbers can be explained by evolution and adaptation to their specific environment. However, proponents of the alien theory counter these arguments by pointing out the vast gaps in our knowledge about both the deep sea and outer space. They argue that just because we have not found evidence of extraterrestrial life yet, it doesn't mean it doesn't exist. Furthermore, they suggest that the DNA of sea cucumbers could have evolved differently due to their potential extraterrestrial origin, and we may simply not have the tools or knowledge to recognize it yet. While the alien theory may seem outlandish, when it comes to the sea cucumber, it's a theory that holds water. Whether you embrace this theory as an interesting possibility or dismiss it as mere science fiction, one thing is certain. The sea cucumber continues to fascinate and mystify us, proving that the truth can often be stranger than fiction. So, are sea cucumbers truly aliens of the deep? Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned so far. First, we delved into the enigma of the underwater world where these creatures dwell. A place so vastly different from our own terrestrial environment, it might as well be a different planet. The sea cucumbers, in their alien-like existence, rule this watery realm. We then explored their peculiar anatomy. Lacking a centralized nervous system, sporting a body that is more than 95% water, and with an ability to alter their body's rigidity at will, sea cucumbers are unlike any creature we're familiar with. We marveled at their unearthly abilities, such as evisceration, where they expel their internal organs to distract predators, only to grow them back later. If that doesn't scream alien, what does? We also considered the alien theory. The idea that sea cucumbers could be extraterrestrial is not entirely far-fetched. Consider the panspermia theory, which suggests that life on Earth could have been seeded by extraterrestrial entities. Could sea cucumbers be remnants of such a seeding event? So, where does this leave us? The idea that sea cucumbers could be alien life forms is certainly intriguing. It challenges our understanding of what constitutes life and where it can exist. It prompts us to question our place in the universe and to reconsider the boundaries of our own imagination. But let's not forget, even if sea cucumbers aren't extraterrestrial, they are unique and amazing creatures in their own right. Their survival strategies, their resilience, and their sheer oddity are testament to the diversity and ingenuity of life on our own planet. Whether or not sea cucumbers are indeed extraterrestrial, one thing's for sure, they are remarkable creatures that continue to baffle and fascinate us.